case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark 1991 case at the United States Bankruptcy Appellate Panel for the Ninth Circuit, a retail jewelry store, Standor Jewelers West Inc., found itself front and center. Filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, Standor aimed to transfer its store lease in South Coast Plaza. This move sparked widespread objection from South Coast Plaza due to a particular lease provision demanding Standor to remit 75% of the lease's appreciation in value for the transfer to proceed. The bankruptcy court ruled in favor of Standor, invoking the Bankruptcy Code to invalidate the lease provision. The Bankruptcy Code postulates that any lease stipulation restricting or conditioning the transfer of the lease is considered invalid. Spurred by this decision, South Coast Plaza pursued an appeal. Among arguments advanced, the Plaza's representatives contended the bankruptcy court needed to first ascertain whether Standor truly owned the appreciated value of the lease. Despite an impassioned appeal, the appellate panel stood by the original ruling. The court maintained the stance that enforcing stipulations of the lease, such as Section 10.01, B, and E, would only serve to limit assignment and potentially impede the debtor's recovery, a clear violation of the Bankruptcy Code under Section 365, F. Consequently, South Coast Plaza's demand for 75% of the increased transfer value was emphatically rejected, with the bankruptcy court reinforcing the invalidity of the provision. In line with Bankruptcy Code directives, Standor was granted full rights to the transfer value of its lease, setting a precedent for future bankruptcy lease transfers.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lse.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.